Do you want to fix changing your password on the X app? Whether you're updating your password for better security, replacing a forgotten password, or simply keeping your account protected, knowing where to find the password setting is essential. In this video, I will show you how to change your password on X app. The first thing you have to do is to go to X app. Then you will click on above, on profile. You will go to settings and privacy. Here in this window, you will go to your account. Then you will go to change your password. And here we'll add your current password, then your new password, and you will confirm your new password again here. So after that, you will click update password. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next.